Ever wonder why people don't find you as captivating as you like? What if the key to becoming more interesting is simpler than you think? 1. Understand the real issue. Have you ever thought, why do others seem more interesting? It's not about being shy. It's about misunderstanding yourself. You're not boring, but you may feel stuck in your comfort zone. Staying within the familiar might feel safe, but it stifles your true potential. The real issue is fearing judgment or failure, which holds you back from being your authentic self. This fear keeps you from exploring new experiences or expressing your thoughts. The good news is that you can change this mindset and unlock your true potential. The first step is recognizing that fear, not shyness, is what limits you. Embrace the idea that being yourself is enough. Your unique perspective matters and can connect deeply with others. When you understand that your feelings of inadequacy are just a mindset, you can start shifting your thoughts. Start small and push yourself out of your comfort zone daily. This will help you gradually build confidence and show your authentic, interesting self. 2. Embrace curiosity. Why do curious people seem more engaging and intriguing? The secret is that curiosity fuels interesting conversations and connections. By asking thoughtful questions, you show genuine interest in others, which makes them feel valued. Instead of waiting for others to lead the conversation, take the initiative. Ask about their passions, dreams, or favorite memories. This will naturally lead to deeper, more meaningful interactions. Being curious also means exploring new topics and learning continuously. When you read, watch, or listen to diverse content, you broaden your horizons. This gives you more to talk about and share with others. Don't be afraid to express your curiosity. It shows that you're eager to learn and grow, which is attractive and engaging. So next time you're in a conversation, let your curiosity guide you. You'll find that people open up more, and your connections become stronger and more fulfilling. Curiosity turns ordinary moments into opportunities for growth and discovery. 3. Step out of your comfort zone. Why does stepping out of your comfort zone feel so daunting? It's because comfort zones, while safe, can be limiting. If you stay within them, you may feel stuck or uninspired. To truly connect with others, it's crucial to take risks, even small ones. Start by doing something that scares you, like joining a new group or taking on a challenge. When you push your boundaries, you grow, and that growth makes you more interesting. Your experiences, even the challenging ones, become stories that others can relate to. They show that you're willing to take risks and grow. People are drawn to those who embrace life fully, even when it's uncomfortable. So, take that first step out of your comfort zone today. It doesn't have to be huge, just something that challenges you. With each step, you'll find yourself becoming more confident, engaging, and, yes, interesting. 4. Practice active listening. Have you noticed that great listeners always seem more engaging? Active listening is more than just hearing words. It's about understanding and responding thoughtfully. When you genuinely listen, you make the other person feel valued, creating a deeper connection. This isn't just about nodding along but engaging with their ideas and emotions. Ask follow-up questions that show you're invested in the conversation. When people feel heard, they're more likely to open up, share more, and appreciate your presence. This builds a strong rapport, making your interactions more meaningful. Practice listening without planning your response while they're speaking. This helps you stay present in the moment and respond more naturally. Active listening also involves reading body language and tone, which can reveal unspoken thoughts and feelings. By focusing on the speaker, you enhance your connection and become more engaging. Remember, being interesting isn't about talking more. It's about listening better and making others feel important. 5. Develop a unique perspective. Why do some people stand out in a crowd? They have a unique perspective that captivates others. To develop your own perspective, start by reflecting on your experiences, values, and beliefs. What makes your view of the world different? Embrace those differences instead of conforming to what others expect. When you express your true thoughts and ideas, you attract like-minded people and create deeper connections. It's not about always being right, but about being authentic and confident in your perspective. Share your stories, insights, and opinions with conviction. Even if others disagree, they'll respect your honesty and originality. Developing a unique perspective also means being open to learning and evolving. Engage with different viewpoints and challenge your own assumptions. This helps you grow and enrich your worldview, making your conversations more dynamic and intriguing. Your unique perspective is your superpower. Use it to stand out and connect meaningfully with others. 6. Embrace your passions. Have you noticed how passionate people naturally attract attention? Passionate individuals are compelling because they bring energy and enthusiasm to everything they do. To be more engaging, start by embracing your passions. What excites you? What makes you lose track of time? Share these passions with others, and don't be afraid to express your enthusiasm. Whether it's a hobby, a cause, or a subject you love, your passion will be contagious. People are drawn to those who are genuinely excited about something because it inspires them. Passion also gives you endless conversation material and helps you connect with others who share your interests. Even if your passions seem unconventional, they're part of what makes you unique. Embrace them fully, and you'll find that others appreciate your authenticity. Your passion shows that you're living life fully, which is incredibly attractive. So, dive into your passions, and let that energy shine through in your interactions. 7. Share vulnerabilities. Why do we connect deeply when someone shares their vulnerabilities? It's because vulnerability is powerful. It's what makes us human and relatable. Sharing your fears, struggles, or mistakes allows others to see the real you. It shows that you're not perfect, and that's okay. People are more likely to trust and connect with you when you're open about your challenges. It's not about oversharing or seeking pity, but about being honest and authentic. When you share your vulnerabilities, you invite others to do the same, creating deeper bonds. This honesty leads to more meaningful conversations and relationships. It also shows that you're courageous enough to be yourself, flaws and all. Embracing vulnerability doesn't make you weak, it makes you stronger and more relatable. So, next time you're in a conversation, don't hide behind a facade. Share a little more of your true self, and you'll find that people connect with you on a deeper level. 8. Master the art of storytelling. Why do stories captivate us so deeply? Stories are powerful because they evoke emotions and create connections. Mastering the art of storytelling can make you more engaging and memorable. To tell a great story, focus on the key elements: a clear beginning, middle, and end. Start with a hook that grabs attention, then build suspense or curiosity. Keep your stories concise, but don't rush. Allow the listener to visualize and feel the moments you describe. Use descriptive language and vivid details to make the story come alive. Relatable stories are especially effective because they resonate with others' experiences. Whether it's a funny anecdote or a lesson learned, stories create a shared experience. They also reveal parts of your personality, making you more relatable and interesting. Practice telling stories about your life, even the small, everyday moments. Over time, you'll become a natural storyteller, able to captivate and connect with anyone you meet. 9. Cultivate a growth mindset. Why are some people always evolving and improving? It's because they have a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that you can develop your abilities and intelligence through effort and learning. When you embrace this mindset, you become more open to new experiences and challenges. This openness makes you more adaptable and interesting because you're always learning and growing. To cultivate a growth mindset, start by embracing challenges rather than avoiding them. View failures as opportunities to learn, not as setbacks. When you adopt this perspective, you're more likely to take risks and push your boundaries. This leads to new experiences, skills, and stories to share with others. People are drawn to those who are constantly evolving and improving. By committing to personal growth, you'll not only become more interesting but also more resilient and confident. Your growth will inspire others and create deeper, more meaningful connections. 10. Prioritize self-care and well-being. Why is self-care crucial for being interesting? It's because taking care of yourself ensures you have the energy and confidence to engage with others. When you feel good physically and mentally, you're more likely to be present and active in conversations and activities. Prioritizing self-care means making time for rest, relaxation, and activities that bring you joy. It's also about setting boundaries and saying no when necessary to protect your well-being. By taking care of yourself, you're showing others that you value and respect yourself. This confidence and self-respect are attractive and engaging. Self-care also involves staying mentally stimulated, read, learn, and explore new interests. This keeps your mind sharp and gives you fresh ideas to share. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. By prioritizing your well-being, you'll have more to offer in your relationships and interactions. You'll be more vibrant, engaged, and interesting, attracting positive and meaningful connections. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women, and we'll see you in the next video. With love.